Welcome to the Custom Order Campaign. My name is Alex and I'm the Creative Experience Specialist here with Inland Boat Company. We are Raleigh's premier boating center for Malibu, Access, and Bennington. In this weekly video series, we'll be sharing stories with you from customer experiences, general information about the ordering process, as well as tips on deciding which boat model may be the best fit for you and your family. To schedule an appointment with one of our product specialists, give us a call today at 919-401-6073.